Today, if you analyze the media, for example, just about more than a week back, you found in the headlines that there was a bomb in Pune, about 19 people were killed, suspects Muslim. Same time, there were about 16 policemen killed.
That was also a headline.
It came
that
as
was
news
also a headline.
Why are you saying Muslims killing? So the others are Maoists, the others are, you know, some other organization, but the Muslims are a religious grouping. It's weird. Why don't we say, you know, whatever those people are? I mean, why do we always have to divide it in?
Yet, Madani Saab, you felt the need to use the Deoband to do that fatwa against terrorism. कहाँ से आया वो fatwa क्यों आया?
जब ये नहीं खड़े हो रहे थे?
आपने पूछा नहीं?
नहीं, पर
जब ये नहीं खड़े हुए, लोग नहीं खड़े हो रहे थे। आज भी यही पोजीशन है कि इस्लाम के नाम पर जिहादी तहरीक चलाने की बाहर से कुछ कोशिशें हो रही। हमने कहा ये जिहादी नहीं है, फसादी है।
Reason to ask why that fatwa was launched was exactly that, and the idea was remove the word Islamic from terrorism. There are terrorism by people who are practicing a non-Islamic action. That was the thing, and I'd just like to say one thing, since it's the last chance. When Indira Gandhi was assassinated, I was so upset, I wrote just a few lines, which I'd like you to have. It said, I am an Indian, not because I am a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or a Sikh. I am an Indian because if I am not, who am I?
Najib, last thoughts?
Ghalib has said, हम कहाँ के दाना थे, दाना comes from दानिशमंद, intellectual, हम कहाँ के दाना थे, किस हुनर में यक्ता थे, बेसबब हुआ जा गालिब, दुश्मन आसमां अपना.
Soha?
I think I have a number of identities as someone who lives in Bombay. I happen to be Muslim, I am an Indian, and I think that my aspirations have nothing to do with my religion or my faith. I mean, I want a big house, I want to get married, I want a family, I want to be successful, and that's who I am.
Karan?
I've always felt very strongly, and I feel strongly because it comes from a space of understanding around me. I'm not saying a film can change a mind space, it can't change the mental makeup of this country, but if you can go back home and question your beliefs about a community, then I think maybe I've serviced cinema in some way.
I personally feel as a Muslim, I'd like to tell every Muslim that if you don't know your religion well enough, if you're not able to practice it well enough, if your knowledge is less, Allah Ta'ala aapko maaf kar denge. Lekin being a Muslim, if you are not able to explain your religion to the other people who are not understanding it, ये दुनिया आपको माफ नहीं करेगी. You need to be very, very clear that we cannot take this stand कि अगर आप समझते नहीं मत समझो मैं तो लड़ूंगा नहीं. Acceptance of this and explaining is what I think in the long run will sort out the problem.
Well, I think it's fair to say where we started that there is a crisis, but I think to hear all of you today, you may not agree on everything, but you agree on a lot of basic core things at the heart of it. And one is, I think as Kabir said, that terrorism doesn't have a religion. It's a cliche, but it's a cliche worth repeating. And two, I think we're seeing shades in many experiments in cinema, in many things that people are willing to come out and say of a more honest engagement with religion and all the questions it raises. Thank you so much, all of you, with leaving us with so much food for thought.